Alright guys, want to show you something here. Before to remove that windshield, you gotta be careful. You gotta protect very well that corner right here and doesn't catch your just be careful with that corner here, doesn't catch your line, and that piece over here. And they leave the wire like that. That's supposed to be inside. I don't know why never put it back to the same place. And over here too, this wire that's supposed to be inside over there. Right there. Just be careful.
Any questions?
In that corner. Yep. Just be careful over here. See you next time, guys.